What you doing, Beckham?
I'm trying to wash the car.
What you doing with that? With your water pistol though?
I'm smoking it with it. I'm loading it for you.
Okay, thank you. You have to screw it on tight?
Yeah. So the water will go through.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
So you can keep the water in there. So I can wash the car or fire hydrant if it's dirty.
Good. Wash my trailer hitch ball.
What?
Wash my trailer hitch ball.
Okay.
Yes. Good, thank you. What about my Ford emblem?
Again?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this is a bag.
You might have to do right here where I have to step up on it right here to get into the bed. Yeah, that'll be right. Cool, you.
Well, I can't. Well, my foot is too little to fit in that. And your foot is too big to fit in this.
Oh, wait a minute. Yours is too little and mine's too big. If I have to get into the back, you know what I do? Put my foot right here. See right there?
Yeah.
And then I get up. And then I can get into the back. See? Put your foot right there. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Put your foot right there. Right there. Now you can use that position to climb. Well, looks like you did it, huh? Now, how are we gonna get out? I can put my foot here.